Hey guys, we're gonna be playing fishing food. Wow, wow, you can talk. So I don't know what do I need to do. All I need to fish is that burger. And I can't breathe. Okay, catch you. Don't kidnap my birds. Don't tell me what to do. Oh my god, I feel bad for the burgers. What the heck? I've seen a lot of ads of these, but I never expected the real ones. Yum, I don't care. No, I don't care. You ate the other burger. What else was I supposed to do with it? I don't know, be friends with it or wow, whatever. Why would you be friends with a piece of food? Because you're food, dummy. You're a piece of food too. No, it's not. Catch some more, not just one. Please, the hook. I hate the hook now. Just kidding. What you want? How am I supposed to make a living when you eat everything I catch? Don't worry, I'll pay you back. Watch this. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're kind of freaking me out. Hold on, it didn't work. Let me try again. Oh, that's better. So just do it. Oh, yay. I wanna be. Catch some more food. Yeah. No. I kind of feel bad for the burgers. The viewers that are watching this, please subscribe, like and subscribe, and then click the notification and the comment down below, whatever, even though the comments are off, whatever, I don't care. Anyways, let's just play. Ooh, yeah. Pay me some more, boy. Wait, did I already get paid? No. Oh, yeah, I did. So, yep, that. Ooh, some dragon fruit. So did we? Treasure. Wait. Ooh. Whoa, there's so many cute foods there. What? It's a secret. Well, oh well. The key thing to do is just keep feeding your food. Maybe one day I'll open it again. Good for you. I don't think I ever will. Well, I don't care. Well, let's just go. Are you okay? Yeah, whatever. Just open up. Open up. Wait. Well, still, why was there a burger down on the coral reef of the dragon fruit reef, whatever? Burgers are not supposed to be there. Oh no, not the burger. I guess I got paid more from this. Oh, no, come on. Ooh, at least that was good enough, right? Am I right? Am I wrong? Or right? I don't even care. Feed the burger now. Haven't fed the burger anything, so feed the burger. No! How is he more lucky? That's it. Wait, what? Oh, yes. Boy, look what we see. You sure saved my life. Seriously, your life saved. Can't believe I caught an entire calf. What were you doing in the ocean? Drowning mostly? I guess that makes sense. I'm surprised you were strong enough to pull me up. Yeah, I worked out. I can't tell. Thanks again. How can I repay you? Well, for some reason my burger turns food into coins. And dragon fruit! Don't forget about the drink. Can you make him something to eat? That's weird, but okay, I'll make some drinks. I usually shell them, but I'll give them to you for free. Oh, yeah. The viewers are gonna watch this for free. I don't know why, but still. I'll make drinks whenever you close the app. Give it a try. Are you sure? But why? Why? Okay, and then... Am I supposed to press it again? Ooh, swipe to drink! Swipe to drink! Oh yeah, that's... Thanks for the drink. Whoa, you ate the whole thing! The container isn't edible, you know. It's okay, my digestive system is amazing. Also, it's faster to eat the whole thing. I only have so long before I die. I gotta save time whenever I can. Okay, whatever. Eating the container might make you die sooner, but whatever. The important thing is that my drinks make you throw up a lot of coins. I'll make drinks for you. Yeah, whatever. Do you want to get a notification when my calf full of drinks? Yeah, sure. Great. Anyways, I'm gonna fish some dragon fruits. And the burgers too. I didn't forget about the boogers. Not boogers, burgers! No! At least the burger got to eat more too. So, too much for my digestives. Ooh, thanks for unlocking me. Here's 4 property boosts. What are these supposed to? Want to watch an ad to get 4 more? Yeah, sure, whatever. Why ads? Why? Am I recording? Cause I can't see the icon. I don't care about my Wi-Fi, you dummy! Get out of here, stupid ad. That is taking a long time. Or is it just me? Oh, I'm yawning. I was yawning. Sorry, I was yawning. But this is just me, or did I just got 4 more now? Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, no. Yeah, whatever. How many dragon fruits and burgers do I need to collect? Because I collected a lot. There's too much. Too much money. Ooh, fries. Fries. Ooh, yeah, fries. Ooh, my favorite. Ooh. You want fries with that game, whatever? What's wrong? Okay. Ooh, time to eat! Wait, what did I just collect? It looks like a book. A portal. I thought it was... I didn't even see the name, but then I guess if it was a portal. Wow, what fell on my roof? That scared the crap out of me. A dunno? Looks like a portal. I wonder where that goes! Well, I need to go to that portal soon, or else the Avengers will defeat me. Avengers Endgame. What the heck? That's a lot of food. I didn't expect that. Wow, the portal duplicates the food I caught. I don't care! That's amazing. Looks like it's closed now, though. No, I could have made. Yeah, whatever. Wait, there's another chest! Avengers Endgame! There's another chest, and I figured out how to open the portal. Turns out it's powered by love. Are you kidding me? That's ridiculous! Hey! Love is a good thing! I don't care! It's a good thing. Yeah, I was joking. It's actually powered by watching ads. But I really thought it was love. Well, that's even worse! That's really mean! Why does the portal want me to watch ads? That's really mean. Why can't it just work? Who knows, not me. It's probably best not to question it and just watch the freaking ads. No, I'm not gonna watch an ad. Not today. Not watching an ad today this time. Oh, wait. I could get 6 portals. Of course I'm watching an ad. Thought I was gonna get 1 portal. But more. Of course I'm gonna get an ad. What's good? But that's still why. Why?
Heroic Expedition download now.
I don't care about that game and that or ad. Sounds really ridiculous. Ooh, portals. Now, collect me foods. Me food. Oh no. Ooh. In-game. Time for some portals. I love portals now. I'm gonna keep them for FNAF, Five Nights at Freddy's, whatever. I don't care. Oh, I forgot for the burger. I didn't collect any food for him. I only collect 1, but then it becomes 2. Ugh. Still, why does the fries need to be more lucky? Only 1 dragon fruit, and that is really dumb. You got 8 and the dragon fruit. I just got 1 dragon fruit. Ooh, at least I got double bucks. I'm still gonna watch. Wait! My chest! Wait, a drink? A drink? Ooh, I didn't know there's a drink. Cranberry. Wait, cranberry? What the heck? Thanks for unlocking me. Whew. I'm just gonna get 4 more. Lift hard and get your portals out of here. Lift your portals out of here, boy. Man, that exercise that's my dream of exercising. My dad is freaking strong. I feel like if he's like the strongest man, and I just think about it because he's my dad and I'm supposed to support his lifting even though he eats a lot or whatever. I eat a lot. I still eat a lot. I eat and actually I eat a lot and exercise at the same time. I have weights on me and my brother's room. Actually, me and my brother's room have the same room and they're connected to each other, and I don't know why. Send help! Send heaven! But still, I like how they're connected. Anyways, 10. Yeah, 10, 8, 10, whatever boost, and 6 portals. A lucky day for now on. Yes! Yes! Oh, and I found another shovel. I don't know what the shovels are for. Ooh! That's a lot of food! And some bucks. Bucky. Oh! Hot dog! Hot dog! Hot dog! Hot doggy! Hot doggy! Sorry, but my dog interrupted me playing for no reason. Shut up! It's quiet, dog!